Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will be diving into how to upgrade a Kubernetes cluster built with Kubeadm. So let me go to the Kubernetes documentation and here we can follow the steps to upgrade the Kubeadm cluster. So you can search with Kubeadm upgrade and open the first link, upgrading Kubeadm clusters. So here you can follow the steps based on your current Kubernetes cluster version. Here first we need to upgrade the control plane, and if you have multiple master node, then you have to upgrade all the control plane and then proceed with upgrading the worker nodes. Okay, so here, so my cluster kubectl get nodes, it is running on Ubuntu 22.04 version, and the Kubernetes version is 1.29. So now I'm going to follow these steps, which is for Ubuntu and Debian based operating system. And if you have a CentOS, RHEL or Fedora, then you can follow these steps. Okay, so first I have only one master node and two worker nodes, and I need to SSH to the master node and then proceed with these steps to upgrade the Kubeadm version. Okay, so now I'm going to SSH to the master node, which is create as master. Okay, and then I'm going to run these two commands first. Okay, let me copy this to the notepad, and first let me run the apt update. Okay, and then once it is completed, then run the apt cache Madison Kubeadm. Okay, so here we can see from which version to which version we can upgrade. So here from my current version to till 1.29.9 I can upgrade. Okay, so upgrading control plane nodes. So now let me copy this command for the Ubuntu. Okay, so here I'm going to upgrade Kubeadm 1.29. So let me copy this version. Okay, 1.29.29. This is the minor version, and apt mark hold Kubeadm. Okay, so let me copy this command. So if you have a multiple control plane, it has to be run one node at a time, and you can pick the control plane that you have to start first, and it must have the etc kubernetes admin.conf file. So let me go to the master node. This is my control plane. So I have only one control plane. Okay, next verify that download works and has the expected version. You can run the Kubeadm version. Okay, Kubeadm version 1.29. And next, verify the upgrade plane, Kubeadm upgrade plane. Okay, so here you can see upgrade to the latest version in the 1.29 series. So it's upgrading from the current version 1.29 to, that means 1.29.1 to 1.29.9. So you can now apply the upgrade by executing the following command: Kubeadm upgrade apply 1.29.9. So here you can see Kubeadm upgrade apply version numbered. So I can just copy this command. Okay, once the command finishes, you should see success. Your cluster was upgraded to 1.29.9 version. Okay, are you sure you want to proceed? You have chosen to change the cluster version to 1.29.9. So here it will be pulling the required images. We can also do this. You can perform this action in beforehand using the Kubeadm config images pull, so that this time will be skipped and it will be faster. Okay, now it's preparing for etcd upgrade and renewing the certificates, and move the new manifest to this location, and it will back up the old Kubernetes manifest file into this location. Waiting for the kubelet to restart the component. This might take a minute or longer depending on the component version. Okay, so once that is completed, then for other control plane nodes, it's the same as the first control plane node, but we have to use the Kubeadm upgrade node, so that remaining control plane we can upgrade. So instead of Kubeadm upgrade apply, we can use Kubeadm upgrade node. Okay, let's wait for this to be completed. Okay, so your cluster was upgraded to 1.29.9. Enjoy. So now that your control plane is upgraded, please proceed with upgrading your kubelet if you haven't already done. Okay, so we have upgraded the control plane, and our next step would be upgrading the kubelet. So before that, we have to drain the node and then upgrade the kubelet and the kubectl. So this is the command to drain the master node. Okay, so here I need to put the node name. Okay, let me copy this and run it here. Okay, now if we run kubectl get node, so I just opened it in a different tab, kubectl get nodes. Now we can see on K8 as master, scheduling is disabled. Okay, so next we need to run this command to upgrade the kubelet and the kubectl. This is for the Ubuntu and the Debian versions. Okay, so it's going to be 1.29. So let me copy that version. So kubelet and the kubectl both will be in the same version. So now I'm going to copy this. Okay, so now it will be upgraded the kubelet and the kubectl to the 1.29.9 version. Okay, next restart kubelet. Okay, can run systemctl daemon reload and restart kubelet. Okay, next we can uncordon the node using kubectl uncordon node name so that scheduling will be enabled again. So K8s master is the node name. Okay, so K8s master uncordon. So now if I run kubectl get nodes, as you can see it here, K8s master, it is running 1.29.9 version. Okay, so we have successfully upgraded the master node. So in exam, there will be a question for upgrading the master node, and these are the steps. Okay, so next we will proceed with upgrading the worker node. So currently I have two worker node, K8s worker 1 and worker 2, which is running 1.29.1. So let's go to the steps. Here is the steps for upgrading the worker nodes. So upgrading worker nodes. Okay, so let me copy this command and let me replace it with the 1.29.9 with the minor version. Okay, let me copy this. Go to the, so now I need to log into the worker node. Okay, this is worker 1. Let me run this command. Let me try again. It looks like the APT, process is running, so it's locked by it's a different process. So let's wait for some time to see if it is completed. So until that, let's proceed with the worker node 2. And once that is completed, then we'll revisit again here. Okay, let me log into the worker node 2. Okay, let me check if again any process is being already logged. apt dpkg. Okay, so here it is fine. Only on worker node 1 the process is locked because it's being used by the apt. Okay, let me proceed with the upgrade here. So let me copy this command and run it on worker node 2. Okay, here it is going through. So first let's complete on worker node 2. Okay, so once Kubeadm upgrade is done, run this command Kubeadm upgrade node. Okay, and then we'll have to drain the node and then upgrade the kubelet and kubectl. Okay, so this is completed. Kubeadm upgrade node. Okay, successfully updated. Now you should go ahead and upgrade the kubelet package using the package manager. Okay, so before that we need to drain the node. Okay, this is Kubeadm worker 2. Okay, once we drain the node, okay, let me try this from the util node because it says connection refused, so it may not have the admin.conf file. So let me try here. Okay, so from here I am able to drain the node. So if I run kubectl get nodes, you can see worker node 2 is scheduling disabled. Because here we don't have the Kubeadm, the admin.conf file. That's the reason it is not working. So next we can proceed with the kubelet and kubectl upgrade. Okay, let me copy this version for kubelet and kubectl. Okay, so once that is completed, then restart the kubelet. So we have to redo the same step again for the worker node 1. So let's see if this is completed. Okay, looks like the lock is still there, so we may have to manually kill the process and proceed with that. Okay, so kubectl and kubelet upgraded to 1.29.9 version. Let's restart the services. Okay, now let me run kubectl get nodes. Okay, so we can see worker node 2 also got upgraded to 1.29.9 version. Now we can uncordon the node. Kubectl uncordon cages worker 2. Kubectl get nodes. Okay, all three nodes are ready state. Next, we'll proceed with the worker node 1 to upgrade the version to 29.9. We can add the steps uncordon here after the service restart. This is going to be worker 2. Okay, so I just stopped the process that we were seeing, and then we'll be able to proceed with our upgrade. Okay, so this is done. Next, Kubeadm upgrade node. Okay, this is successfully updated. And next, kubectl dry node ignore daemon sets. So this command we need to run it from the util server or master server, because on worker node 1 we don't have the Kubeadm admin file configured. Okay, kubectl get nodes. Okay, worker node 1 is scheduling disabled. Now let me proceed with the kubelet and kubectl upgrade. Go to worker node 1. Okay, once that is completed, we can restart the daemon and kubelet. Okay, that's completed. Okay, now if I go here, kubectl get node. Now as you can see, all three nodes have upgraded to the 1.29.9 version. So now let me uncordon the node so that we can remove the scheduling disabled option. Okay, so it is uncordoned. Now if I run kubectl get node, you can see all three nodes are in ready status. Okay, so we have successfully upgraded the kubectl get node. We have successfully upgraded the cluster to 1.29.9. So previously it was 1.29.1 version. Okay, if I run kubectl get pod, these were the deployments and pods running on it already. Okay, so that's it in this video, and I'll see you in the next. Thank you.